Tired of static product images that don't sell? Why don't you simply turn them into videos that look professionally taken using this AI tool? I'm talking about Keevx, which can turn your static product images into videos within few minutes. So let me show you how you can do it. Go to keevx.com and sign in using your Google account, and then you'll click on this AI product video option. Here you have to select the image that you want to create video for. So simply click on this upload button here and select the image that you want to generate a video, and I'm going to select this one. And now you can describe the video that you want to create, or you can simply select all these, that is the camera movement. So you have all these options. I'll go with static shot, shot type, what type of shot do you want? I want a close shot, and lastly the angle should be low angle shot. And then simply click on this help to write button and it will generate a description for your video, or you can add in a description according to yourself as well. Next you can select the length of the video, that is 4 to 8 seconds. I'll select 6 seconds, and then you can select the video quality, but you'll require premium account for higher video quality. Now after you're done with all these settings, you can simply click on the generate button and it will ask you to confirm, and simply click on the confirm button and just wait for your video to be generated. Our video is generated and you can see it here. So this is the final video that it came with, and you can see how it orbits the camera around the product. Now you can either download this video from this download button here, or you can use this video to create AI ads by clicking on this create AI ad button, and you have the product information here, the medias that you want to use in your ad. Next is important, which is the avatar that you want to use in the ad. So you can select from multiple public avatar options which is suitable for your product. So after selecting the avatar, you can change the voice by going to this voice section and previewing the voice one by one and select whatever is appropriate to your product. After this, you have the option to select the aspect ratio of your video, whether you want a vertical or a horizontal video. Then you have the option to select the language of your video and the duration as well. So I'm going to select 15 seconds, and next is the video description, whether it's promotional video. I'm going to check this off, and you can next enter the selling points of your product here and also describe your target audience using this target audience button here. Now to actually generate an AI advertisement, you'll need at least 3 medias. So I'm going to upload a few media options like this image and a video which I created using an image from. Just select from here and click on the add button and simply click on the generate button. It will take some time as it's analyzing the product info, then the videos that we have selected, and it will generate a script. And now it has generated 8 videos from me, from which I can select one or more to create the final video. So you can easily preview these videos by clicking the play button and then select the ones that you actually like. I'm going to select this one and this right here, and I'm going to click on this render button for it to generate a video, and click on the generate and confirmation for the credit consumption. So now my final advertisement video will be generated. So both the videos that I decided to render are generated, and here are the results. Now you can download this video using this download button here, or you can also copy this and go into edit mode where you will be able to change things around like subtitles, background, text, etc. So you can do that. So that was basically how you can turn your static images into product videos and then generate advertisement using Keevx AI.